So if you want to create this type of sketch notes from your text, you can do this on Gemini for free. So let me show you how you can create this type of sketch notes. First, you need to come over to the Gemini and make sure you select the thinking option here. And after that, you need to provide the command here for your topic that which you are going to create sketch notes. For example, I'm just going to provide a prompt here. So I just provide a prompt of give me 8 essential full body weight exercises and describe how it helps to gain muscle and why it grows and works. So I'm just going to click submit, and Gemini going to give me all the knowledge and the text about the topic that I gave here. You can describe any topic or any educational purpose or any other PDF file or documents. You can upload that and you can tell it to give me the text of this file. So just Gemini just give me all the things about the prompt that I give here, and from this text I'm going to create a sketch notes. So after that, you just need to go to the tools option and click on this create images, and here you need to provide a prompt here. So this is the prompt that you're going to provide to create a sketch note. I'm going to give the prompt in my description box. So you just need to copy and paste it in your Gemini. And after giving all the text, you just need to click on the submit. And Google Gemini Pro going to use the nanobanana Pro to create an image, and this is also for free. You don't need to pay anything. The nanobanana Pro can give you 3 to 4 images per day. So as you can see, after a couple of seconds, we got our sketch notes with all the details text that provide by Gemini, and then nanobanana Pro create an image with the sketch notes. So that's very easy. You can use this to create sketch notes with any topic that you want, and you can also download this. Just click on this download and it will be downloaded on your PC. So this is the video. I hope you found this video helpful. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.